I am Archi Katkar and I represented my state Goa at the 40th Junior Nationals held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. My event was the Under 14 Triathlon A and I won a silver medal. I trained in RCC Fatoda under coach Patrick and I study in Vidya Vikas Academy.
I thank Sports Authority of Goa for providing all the facilities at Fatoda and at Bamboli. I thank my coaching director, Arjuna Awardee, Sri Bruno Coutinho sir, and our executive director, Dr. Ajay Gowde sir. Regarding the training of Archi Katkar, we used to train at Fatoda on the grass track, and for long jump and high jump, we used to practice on the high jump mat. So we faced lot of difficulties. For better performance, we used to go at Bamboli twice or thrice a week. Over there, other competitor from other athlete from our RCC used to help us in carrying the mat and getting other things ready. I also thank Sir Sripad Kundekar and Dr. Sadhya Mandreka for their input when I was training her at Bamboli.
We would like to congratulate Archi Katkar of RCC Fatoda. Archi recently participated in the 40th Junior National Athletics Championship held at Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and she won the silver medal for Team Goa in the event Triathlon A. And as a team who has always been supporting for her, who has been guiding her up and down whenever she needed our help, and as a senior athlete, we would like to congratulate Archi Katkar. Archi has been training with us for a very long time, and as senior athlete she has been observing us, and she learned how to cope up with everything and all the ups and downs, and finally after a very long time we are very proud that Archi was able to bring